Hi, my name is Sky Huang,
And I'm Jocelyn T. Bowie.
and we are Menlo Inc. interns. Hopefully, you're able to scan our QR code before the start of the video. It contains all of our internship information, so it would be great if you could scan it and follow along. It will also appear at the end of the presentation.
Have you ever been asked the question, if you had one superpower in the world, what would it be? I don't know about you, but if I had a superpower, it would be knowledge. Knowledge empowers us to become creative and curious.
Here at Menlo, all of our employees are blessed with the power of IT knowledge. Menlo Inc. is an external IT support provider whose product, Albert, packages all of Menlo's services into one accessible dashboard for its clients. According to Stephen Russell, most of these clients are staff or IT personnel within a less tech-experienced organization, meaning that there is very limited knowledge on IT.
Menlo answers IT questions mainly through a ticketing or call system. After an interview with Jeremy Piper, we found that Menlo solves an average of 1,000 calls a month, which looks like the graph on the left.
But then, there are months when the amount of calls Menlo receives skyrockets due to customers constantly asking the same questions, which then causes the graph to look like that.
The key issue is there's a lack of accessible IT knowledge for clients, which makes them ask Menlo repetitive questions. So Sky and I thought, how might Menlo empower clients with IT knowledge?
So, we present to you Einstein.
Einstein is an Albert-based IT forum in which both Menlo and clients will be able to ask questions, answer questions, and view documentation. It is a highly requested self-service feature that will help empower Albert users.
Jocelyn and I have made in-depth details of Einstein. Please refer to our notebook for extra details.
When a user clicks on the Einstein tab in the Albert dashboard, they will be directed to the Einstein dashboard, which contains a search bar, a tag section, and a community section. When a user searches, they will be able to filter the replies, which allows them to quickly and efficiently find their solutions.
Users and employees will also be able to post and reply. They will have access to features such as media upload, privacy, where they can select who can view the post, and tags, where they can also categorize the post. Posts that have efficient solutions will be pinned, marking the post as solved. And the solutions will then be saved into a forum for future users to use, efficiently saving time. And in order to keep track of popular issues, there's a popularities, views, and comments counter.
Another feature we implemented are threads. Employees will be able to use threads to create documentation versions. Meanwhile, clients will be able to create branches of ideas. Threads have the same features as posts, but they adopt the privacy section of the original post and are also able to be filtered.
Einstein will be made in correlation with Menlo's current projects. As of right now, Menlo is working on improving their knowledge base, which is an internal library of documentation for Menlo employees. Einstein will also be able to help with documentation as IT evolves.
Menlo is currently implementing the web ticketing system directly into the Albert dashboard, meaning that the demographic of Albert users will soon change to include tech directors, staff, and students alike.
According to the data we have, Einstein will take around 3.5 months to implement.
Starting in September, Menlo's internal development team will need around 2.5 months to code Einstein using the languages PHP and PowerShell.
And we'll need around a month for cybersecurity team to implement security measures and also beta test Einstein before rolling it out in February.
For all of this, we will need around $106,020. 58.3% will go towards our development team, 19.9% will go to our cybersecurity team, and 21.9% will go to our testing.
We estimated that we would be able to save around $199,800 yearly, while also reducing the amount of calls Menlo receives. Time is money. The less time Menlo uses on receiving calls, the more time they have to work on other projects, while also reducing the amount of employees needed for customer service.
But why Einstein for Menlo? According to a survey Sky and I conducted, we found that 92% of users use forums to answer solutions. We also found that over 90% found their solutions on said forums, meaning that Einstein will not only be a useful tool, but also a familiar tool to Albert users.
Einstein is not only accessible, but it is also empowering to Menlo and its clients, which means that Einstein will be able to circulate its knowledge within its community.
Knowledge is a superpower, but as Menlo superhero Albert Einstein has said, the true sign of intelligence is not knowledge, but imagination.
Knowledge, imagination, curiosity. So, what are you waiting for? Einstein. Be curious. Thank you.